Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial on estimating materials for blockwork construction in building superstructures. And whether you are a seasoned contractor, accurately estimating materials like cement, sand, blocks is crucial for successful construction project. In this video, I will guide you through the process step by step, helping you determine the quantities of cement and sand, as well as blocks required for your blockwork walls. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the knowledge and confidence to tackle your blockwork project efficiently using this template. This is another template, so let's just jump into it and see how we are going to do this. So on the previous video we've already talked about the guidelines for that, so we are going to stand on that basis and continue measuring. So this video won't take a very long time before we are done. So let's jump into it. So first of all, I'm going to click on the Blockwork template. The wall height, as we know, is 3.33, and we're going to put in our door one. Remember the door one is 2.1 by 1.5. Oh, yeah, this is width. This is 1.5. The width. This is 2.1. Height. Door 2 is 2.5. The width 2.1. And the numbers, the quantity here is for door 1 is 13. The quantity here for door 2 is 9. The quantity here for door 3 is 1. The quantity for door 4 is 12. For door 4, the width is 0.9. I mean, all of them are having 2.1 as height, 2.1 as height. The 3, we're going to 1 meters for width. Door 4 is 0.9. And also the windows. Window 1 is 1.2 for height, and width is 1.5. Window 4. Sorry, what we have here is window 3, window 2, and window 4. Though you could use it here, but it's better you just. So let's just jump. Let's just use the window 2. Window 2 is 1.2 by 1.2. The quantity for window 2 is 2, a number. Window 3 is 1. Window 4 is 12. It is 1.8. 1.2. Window 4 is height is 0.9 and 0.6. So this is very, very easy. And we're just going to take the external walls, and we're done for this simple measurement. As you can see, already having our figures by the right side. So let's just take here. All right, so as you can see, we already have the number of cement. We have the number for sand. We have the number for concrete, hollow filling. We have for sand filling. We have for granite. We have for everything here. So this is the cement. We're going to use about 90 bags of cement, and going to use 90 bags. Okay. So also you can decide to change your cost. If your cost is more than 180, you could just put then, let's say, if it's 200. Sorry, the issue with Planswift is that even if you want to change the dollars, you can't have maybe an African currency or so. So you can just change all of this cost of block laying, you input it. The only currency, if you want to change the currency, you will have to go to your settings and you click on your general and you change. But for now, those are the currencies that are available here. So you can just come over here and have your reports and see exactly what you've done. Okay. We just need to find out, because we've already measured a lot, so we'll have to find what we measured. Sorry, we've measured a lot of things, so as you can see, this is the record here. This is the record here. So you're going to see that for concrete mixer, on that same cost, you are going to spend this amount. Price total here. For the lintels, these are the amounts you're going to spend. So now, come in here, sorry, it's because I've measured a lot. So here you're going to see the cost for the sand. This is the cost here. Okay. So This is basically everything you need to know about this, all the templates that you can use. So it automatically calculated the lintels for you. And that is the cost of lintels, as you can see here. The cost for labor, and the cost of blockwork, as you can see here, 65.151 square meter. This is exactly what you have in here. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.